So, imagine creating a YouTube channel where you never show your face, never use your real voice, and never shoot a single video with a camera. Yet, in just 1 week, that channel starts gaining views, and even goes viral. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. Welcome to the era of AI-powered faceless YouTube channels, and I'm going to show you exactly how people are doing it. Now let me be honest, this isn't about shortcuts. It's about smart content creation with tools that do most of the heavy lifting for you. You see, in 2025, all you need is a niche, a laptop or smartphone, and the right combination of AI tools. Let's break it down. Step 1. Picking the right niche. This is where many people fail. Viral channels don't just talk about everything. They target one thing, consistently. The most viral AI faceless channels right now are in tech and AI tutorials, storytelling with visuals, motivation and quotes, celebrity news, finance breakdowns. You pick one and you stick to it. Step 2. AI scriptwriting tools. Don't want to write long, boring scripts? Use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic. You enter a topic and boom, you've got an engaging, structured script. Some creators even use ChatGPT to break down viral video structures and replicate the formula. Step 3. AI voiceovers. Now, forget about recording your voice. Tools like 11 Labs, Muff.ai, and Played HT can generate human-like voices that even react emotionally. Male, female, British, African, whatever fits your style. The key is sounding real and engaging. And these tools? They're scary good. Step 4. AI video generation. This is where the magic happens. Platforms like Pictory, InVideo, HeyGen, and Runway take your script and voiceover and convert them into stunning visuals. You can choose animated formats, B-roll scenes, or even auto-sync talking avatars. Faceless? Powerful? Absolutely. Step 5. Eye-catching thumbnails. YouTube is 80% thumbnail. Use tools like Canva AI or Thumbnail.ai to create scroll-stopping images. Add contrast, use human faces with emotional expressions, and make the text bold but short. Think of it like this. If your thumbnail doesn't make someone stop, your video might never start. Step 6. Uploading and SEO optimization. Now you upload using strong titles, clear descriptions, and trending hashtags. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to optimize the title and tags. A title like AI did everything, I just posted it, hits curiosity and emotion. That's how you win clicks. Step 7. Post consistently and track what works. Even AI won't save you if you post once a month. Viral channels post 3 to 5 times a week, usually shorts daily and one long video weekly. Study analytics. When something performs, double down on it. Now here's the truth nobody says. Most people give up before the algorithm even notices them. But if you stay consistent, posting good, valuable content with eye-catching visuals, YouTube will start pushing your channel. The people going viral with AI faceless channels right now, they're not lucky, they're strategic. So, want to start your own faceless YouTube empire? I just gave you the blueprint. No excuses. Start now. Let AI work for you. If this video opened your eyes to the power of AI in content creation, do 3 things. Like, drop a comment, I'm starting today, and subscribe to AI Innovate Hub for more fire content like this.